Day 2 Paris. This is my breakfast. My first breakfast. I'm gonna have another one. Good morning. I look like a potato. Guys, so today is day 2 of Paris and we are going to Disneyland. So we got up, got ready, had breakfast, and now we're going. We had breakfast in our hotel because we bought like food yesterday, and so that was convenient for us, and now we're going to Disneyland. The good thing is that we found our way. So yeah, we found our way to the station. So like now we can go from our hotel to our station. Like, oh my god, there's a bus going by and people staring at us. Guys, I hate it here. It's part of the same river. Here at Disneyland. Where's the castle? Disneyland. So guys, it's raining. I don't know what to call this experience of ours. That's where I want to take pictures. And Princess Lupa lives right at the top there. Yeah, that's my home. If you look close, you can see her just throwing around her long blonde hair. Oh, Lupa, come down, throw your hair down, Lupa. That's my castle right there. Yeah, it's the castle that she works in for me. So we're inside the castle. It's probably just a shop. Oh my god, they have candy cane in June. Is this like a Christmas shop? So we're gonna go on this ride because it's raining and we don't know what else to do. The line was like 20 minutes long, but we have to be doing something. Oh my god, look at that little mouse over there. We're on the Dumbo because that's all we can do. Well, it's raining. Oh, it's in English. Oh, music to my ears.
And put your hands and arms inside.
I'm scared! There's this tag thingy on my... I just hope I don't drop my phone. Oh my god! I didn't even do that. They're bringing us That's it! That's it! It was the shortest ride ever! We waited like 20 minutes for like... literally... So we're still in the maze. The maze looks so small from outside, but it's so much bigger inside. You get a view of the whole park. So we're here to see Mickey.
We're turning back.
The wait is 50 minutes.
We go to other things and if it calms down, we'll come back again.
Okay, come, let's go do other things, yeah. I doubt it will calm down, but whatever. So now we're gonna go do other stuff and hopefully the line gets shorter or something. So we're going on a boat. So we are on the boat.
I think that's been rewarding.
Finished our ride. Where are we going now?
The train.
We're like very soaked from the rain. This is like the worst day for this. We have to find the train area. Probably that way.
Are you gonna vlog?
We're going out to eat. Oh my god. Okay.
Why does every time we like take pictures and stuff, the light always hit my face?
I don't know.
We're going to an Indian restaurant and my mom said to us, do we miss curry and stuff? And I guess
We
she
do.
just wants us to eat curry and we're just ending up going there.
We're gonna go have some curry. Because we haven't had curry for 2 days. No, 1 day. So we have to go. Dessert is here, so I got mango flavor. She got pistachio. just so basic. I got mango.
So boring.